So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're gonna start with a new playlist, and that is NeetCode 250, where we're gonna solve those NeetCode 250 problems from the LeetCode, and we're gonna solve easy, medium, and hard, all three types of questions, and which are asked in basically FANG bank companies. So there are going to be total of 250 questions, and every day I'm going to try to upload 6 videos in total. So we're going to complete in around 45, 47 days, around 45 days maybe. So we'll try to do that. And a big shout out to NeetCode. And so we're gonna go pattern wise. If you look at the first topic, arrays and hashing, we're gonna cover all the topics over here. There's 250 questions. There are multiple blind 75, NeetCode 150, NeetCode 250, NeetCode all. NeetCode all would have been done, but that's gonna be huge amount of questions, right? 827. So we're going to stick with NeetCode 250, and we're going to start with arrays and hashing, 2 pointers, sliding window stack, binary search, linked list trees, heap priority queue, backtracking, tries, graphs, advanced graphs, 1D dynamic programming, 2D dynamic programming, greedy intervals, max and geometry, but manipulation. So these are all the type of question patterns which are asked, and there are a total of 60 easy questions, 155 medium questions, and 35 hard questions. So this kind of this all the 250 questions are mostly going to cover all type of questions, or all type of questions which are asked in those companies. So we'll get started from the next video, and in the end, I will try to add that in a single video. I will just combine and merge all the videos into a single one. If it is possible, I think it is just possible to upload 12 hours of video. We need some special permission from the YouTube. So that is not possible right now, I think. So I'll upload around 12 hours of video for a single part once we are done with all the playlists. So we're going to be starting from tomorrow. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.